Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back again. I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you that has been supporting me on this channel. God bless you. For my new subscribers, God bless you. For the old ones, you're the best. God bless you. So today I'm back with another video. That is how to make your stock cube at home. You know, we found out that we cannot cook without stock cube. So you can do this by preventing a lot of things. At least you know what you're eating. These are ingredients we need for this. Cloves of garlic I put there is optional, but I advise you use it also. And I have crayfish there. I have pink salt. Pink salt, you get it from health shop. You can't see it everywhere. It's a very healthy salt. Then we have the celery, we have zucchini, we have a carrot, we have potato. You know, it depends on the quantity you want to do. So that will also makes you to know what you will use, the quantities, you understand. So for the things I want to do, the quantity I want to do, this is what I needed for it. So let's get started. I started by cutting every one of them. I just want to show you the sizes. I don't want this video to be long. So I want to show you the sizes, how you will cut it before cooking it. All of us knows how to cut potato. Just cut it, slice it very little. This is zucchini. This is carrots. This is celery. And this is ginger. This is onions. This is garlic. It's optional. Then mix all of them together. This is my crayfish. I've washed it. So you now put it in your pan. Add extra virgin oil. I added 3 spoons. Then stir it well. Then this is the salt, the pink salt. It's a very healthy salt. If you have not seen it before, try to go and check for it. I added 2 spoons. Then this is a stirring stage. You have to stir. You don't need to cover it and go. No, you have to continue stirring it because you don't need to burn. Keep on stirring it. stir it very well and stay close to it. It's okay, the water has been dry. Then ready to blend. So I've blended it back to the pan. You might say that this is taking time, but it's worth it. For the healthy living, it's worth it. So many stock soup we are using a lot of sugar, a lot of salt, but this is organic. So you stir it for it to dry. Keep on stirring it. So this is the outcome. My chopping board, then I spray the oven pepper on top of it. This stage, after stirring, after putting it here now, you put it in your freezer to stay at least 8 to 12 hours. Make sure you spread it well. Spread it well so that the outcome will be fine. Okay, it's taking shape now. It's taking shape now. It's taking shape now. Okay, this is after 12 hours. You cut it in pieces. Then you cut that oven pepper. This is the oven pepper. I cut it in a square form, little by little. Then you have your container near you. See what I'm doing? One after the other. This is cubic form. This is your own homemade stock cube. It's done. If you are watching up to this period, you've not subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell.